young explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with chapter number 17 of English, and the name of the chapter is Joining Words, that is conjunctions, right? So, what are the conjunctions? Conjunctions are basically known as the joining words. That was what we read in the heading, right? So, joining words क्यों कहा जाता है इन्हें? Because they are the words that are used to join some kind of words, or they also can join one or two sentences, right? So, let us begin with the chart and know more about the conjunctions. So, they say, look at the pictures and read the following sentences. तो यहाँ पर हमें कुछ पिक्चर्स दी हुई हैं जिनके नीचे कुछ सेंटेंसेस हैं जो हमें पढ़ने हैं. So let us read them very quickly. Suman is fat. Anita is also fat. Suman and Anita are fat, right? Next, the coffee is hot. The juice is cold. The coffee is hot, but the juice is cold, right? तो जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पर देखा कि जितने भी ये सेंटेंसेस थे जो कि था सुमन इज फैट, अनीता इज ऑल्सो फैट, ये दोनों अलग अलग सेंटेंसेस थे. बट हमने इन दो सेंटेंसेस को एक सेंटेंस में कन्वर्ट कर दिया बाय यूजिंग द कंजंक्शन एंड ओवर हियर, राइट. सेम गोज विद द सेकंड सेंटेंस जिसमें हमने देखा कि दो अलग अलग सेंटेंसेस हैं, तो हमने इसको भी एक सेंटेंस बना दिया बाय यूजिंग द कंजंक्शन but over here, right? Next, is the cat under the table? Is the cat on the table, right? तो यहाँ पर भी जैसे कि हम देख सकते हैं दो अलग अलग सेंटेंसेस हैं. So let us make them one by using a conjunction, that is that the is that cat under or on the table, right? हमने यहाँ पर conjunction यूज किया जो कि था और. After that, next example we have Mohit could not go to school. He was ill. अब again ये दो अलग अलग sentences हैं. Let us make it one by using the conjunction, which says Mohit could not go to school because he was ill, right? So यहाँ पर हमने conjunction use किया जो कि है because, right? After that, they say that words like and, but, or, and because are joining words. तो ये सभी words जो है and, but, or because ये सभी joining words कहलाते हैं, right? They join together words, groups of words और sentences. ये सभी words को join करने के लिए group of words या फिर sentences को join करने के लिए use किए जाते हैं. Such joining words are called conjunctions. इन सभी joining words को हम conjunctions के नाम से जानते हैं, right? After that, we have a box to keep in mind. Let us read this. A conjunction is is used to join together words or group of words, right? कंजंक्शन जो है वो ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो कि हम यूज कर सकते हैं एक वर्ड को दो वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करने के लिए आपस में, या फिर ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करने के लिए भी, राइट. सो दैट इज all about the joining words, that is conjunctions. I hope you all are clear with the concepts and you all have learned something new from this. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.